Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how students can actually view their different work in Google Classroom right here. Yeah, so the first thing students have to do is just sign into Google Classroom. But if you notice right here, this is how the student will look like. You see the stream, classwork, and people. Sometimes the work actually is displayed right here on the stream page. And if you don't see it here on the stream page, just come right up here and then you click and you see the work right here in this class page here. So for instance, you know this class is computer class. I have black D, but you have a next class in black A. How can you really merge over to it and finish in this class? You're going to come right here to the left here. Notice you see this circle, that right here, it's the main menu. When you click on it, if you notice, you come right down here, actually in black D. So you want to go into black A to complete the assignment. So you actually click like that. You notice when I click, it take you over here. And notice, this is the work right here. A new assignment was posted, right? It's probably purchasing a new computer right here. And as I said, if you don't see it right over here, you can click right here on the class page and you will see it assigned. If you notice right here, work assigned. So very important. So this is one of the ways our students can actually view Google Classroom to get them work. So I hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.